Next to the paginate method, Laravel offers the simplePaginate method. And the simplePaginate method is a helper function on the Laravel query builder that enables pagination of records retrieved from the database. Now you might wonder, well, isn't that the same as the paginate method? Yes, it is. But there are some impactful changes, so let's cover them. Let's first remove the paginate method, and let's chain the simplePaginate method to it. Now I'm not going to cover all arguments because it's exactly the same as the paginate method, but let's say that we want to paginate 10 items per page. If we navigate back to the browser, refresh the page, scroll to the bottom, you will see the same exact output, so all the posts that we want, but there are some big changes behind the scenes. So let's talk about them. The simplePaginate method should be used when working with a large data set as it's more efficient than the paginate method. The biggest reason is simply uses less memory to paginate records compared to the paginate method. So whenever you need to paginate a large dataset, you should use the simplePaginate method. However, if you are working with a small dataset, the paginate method is more efficient because it does not have a significant impact on performance or memory. Now it has also changed the buttons, and that's because it only loads the pages once it has retrieved the posts. So it first loads the first 10 posts, and once we click on next, it starts loading the next 10 posts. In conclusion, the simplePaginate method is a handy tool for paginating records in a web application. You can easily display records in a paginated manner, making it easier for users to navigate through your application, but it also uses less memory.